Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director at Sallie Tomato. Today, we're sharing an essential notion for your projects. So let's dive into day 3. Day 3, you'll be saying ho 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 when you unwrap this treat. It's the perfect pairing to use with day 4. Today's items include a 12-inch number 3 natural zipper paired with 2 coordinating donut zipper pulls. The donut pulls for number 3 zippers are brand new. This expands our number 3 zipper offerings, and we love that these zippers are durable, easy to install, and how the addition of the donut pulls add a playful, stylish detail. We have included enough to make 2 projects, and these zippers coordinate perfectly with the cork from day 2, as well as an upcoming project. Like our cork from yesterday, these brand new zipper pulls are available for purchase today. Sallie Tomato zippers are made with nylon teeth. You can easily cut and sew through them. There is no need to worry about breaking a needle when you're using these zippers since they are not metal. If you aren't sure how to slide on your zipper pulls, check out our YouTube tutorial linked below. It walks you through the process step by step. We hope this inspires you to create something functional and beautiful for your holiday crafting. We can't wait to open the rest of this year's Advent box with you. You can still purchase this year's Advent box if there are any left in stock on our website. If we are sold out, we've added a link below for you to join our newsletter group so you will be notified when the 2026 Advent box releases. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.